Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Update po tayo sa mga proclamations na walang pasok. Ito, declaring Tuesday, November 4, 2025, a special non-working day in the province of Quezon. Although wala silang bagyo, ito po, wala pong pasok bukas sa November 4 sa province of Quezon. Ito ay dahil Tuesday, the province of Quezon will commemorate the death anniversary of its local hero, Apolinario de la Cruz, also known as Hermano Poli. Wow, idol ko po ito. It is but fitting and proper that the people of the province of Quezon is given full opportunity to honor the heroism and patriotism of Hermano Poli through appropriate commemories. So yan, happy death anniversary kay Hermano Poli. Ito pa, proclamation number 1070 or 1070, declaring Tuesday. Pero sa November 25 pa po ito, November 25, 2025. A special non-working day in the municipality of Lona, province of La Union. Ito ay dahil sa municipality of La Union sa nasabing petsa will mark the celebration of its town fiesta. Wow! Happy fiesta po dyan sa municipality of Lona, province of La Union. Nakasad pa dito na it is but fitting and proper that the people of the municipality of Lona be given full opportunity to participate in the occasion and enjoy the celebration. So itong dalawang proclamations ay nakasaad na si Lucas P. Bersamen, Executive Secretary by authority of the President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. hereby declare that Tuesday, November 25, 2025, a special non-working day in the municipality of Lona, province of La Union. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Ingat po kayo dahil sa super tropical typhoon na si Teno. Bye-bye!